Any business that includes planting and mowing grass can see a huge increase in revenue, according to the RoboMax JD Automatic Turf Harvesters developers. A John Deere 6130 meters tractor with a 24x24 Auto Quad Plus transmission and a standard all-wheel drive serves as the foundation for the machine. It rolls the topsoil into bales that are 40 to 60 centimeters in diameter after carefully removing it. The tractor then carefully moves 5 bales at a time onto a pallet using a basic robotic stacking system. The maximum speed Max JD can achieve with the robot is 12 kilometers per hour. When debris becomes stuck on the conveyor belt, intelligent systems take over and remove it immediately. A new and improved beet harvesting machine is the RopaMos 6. With the use of hydraulic pistons, the roomy and cozy cabin may be raised to a height of 5 meters. Two adults such as a combine operator and their replacement can sit comfortably in the cabin. A 10-meter beet harvesting and sifting system is included with the equipment. Mercedes-Benz powerful 7.7-liter 354 horsepower engine ensures effective operation at reduced RPM. Online diagnostics, predictive analytics, and telematics are handled by highly skilled, high-performance computer users. Hay bales need to be covered to prevent the wind from scattering them. This process can now be automated with the Cavalland Fast Bale. It's designed to cut the grass, shape it into even bales, and wrap them tightly in fabric. With this machine, you won't need to spend money on other equipment. The fast bale works non-stop, so the tractor driver just needs to drive straight across the field with the electric motor and the transmission with an input speed of 1000 rpm. Power the mechanisms. The smooth hay feeding and hinged wrapping system ensure gentle handling of the material. The creators of the CNA Land Fast Bale claim their invention is unmatched worldwide, which is why they have won several prizes at agricultural exhibitions and competitions. A startup is concentrating on cutting-edge technology for Earth, while NASA is creating unmanned vehicles to investigate Mars. The Abbott 2.05W4 self-sufficient land mower is an efficient device. It has a 2.9 liters Deuce 4-stroke diesel engine that produces 75 horsepower and can travel up to 13 kilometers per hour. To keep the blades from colliding with pebbles or misplaced shovels, the strong pump can supply up to 85 liters per minute. A lidar system on the front of the mouse uses ultrasonic sensors to scan the area. The Agbot 2055W4 is priced between $225,000 and $247,000 and is available in a variety of variants with varying wheel widths. Use the UNIC crawler track platform if your tractor trailer's wheels cause crop damage or become stuck. The crawler track increases off-road capability while putting significantly less strain on the ground. The platform is ready for use and folds up to fit neatly in any garage or shed. The unique crawler has been patented and is being actively promoted by Anna Berger in a matter of minutes. Because the smooth rubberized tracks help keep the soil healthy for a higher yield, farmers will value them. With its wide base and several interchangeable modules, the revolutionary Next Combine Harvester is the first comprehensive system in the world that incorporates all phases of fieldwork. It has the ability to plow soil, plant seeds, harvest crops, and shield plants from pests. It takes less than 10 minutes for one individual to switch between modules. The project's developers have already committed to automating every procedure in anticipation of the future. Two separate diesel engines, each producing 550 horsepower, power the electric drive of the Nex. Its wide-span controlled traffic system helps to maximize yields by allowing fields to be farmed so that the wheels of the machinery compact less than 5% of the area. If farmers wish to keep ahead of the competition, they should get this machine as soon as possible. One of the most useful and effective rock pickers available from agricultural equipment vendors is the Clear's rock picker, which can uproot boulders and cobbles that are firmly buried in the ground and pick up solid objects between 10 and 66 centimeters in size. At 600 rocks per hour, the machine is in operation. The company claims that when they developed this effective instrument, they kept regular farmers in mind. The company provides a unique service for people who cannot afford the rock picker: field cleaning. After all, clean and loose soil won't damage the rakes or combine harvesters. Experts with the required equipment will be on their way with just one phone call. The CV45 line from Pelling Almond is made especially for thick olive orchards. When mounted on a typical tractor, it is easy to use, productive, and nimble. The olives are delicately trimmed by the machine without causing any harm to the bushes, leaves, or branches. A competent operator may harvest 10 hectares of fruit in a single workday with this machine. With two hoppers that can contain up to 3.5 tons of olives, the machine moves through the orchards at speeds between 1.5 and 6 kilometers per hour. The makers stress that the machine's parts are reasonably priced, which is crucial for olive farming on an industrial scale. The new 530F Orchard de Lefa from Almi is made for accurate and productive operations in apple orchards. With the use of revolving disc nozzles, the model's adjustable airflow ensures that the fruit is not harmed while yet completing the task to perfection. Three blowing heads, each with two rotors, are mounted on the machine's front frame. A joystick is used to control the compressor unit, which is situated on a 3-point mount at the back of the tractor. The 530F sweeps away vermin, bird nests, and hives in addition to leaves. According to tests, apples that are exposed to direct sunshine are juicier. When achieving premium flavor is so simple, why not do it? The most potent pumpkin seed harvester to date is Moti's most recent KX4 Hydro S, which combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled efficiency. The KX4 hydraulic requires a tractor with at least 150 horsepower and weighs more than 11.5 tons. It can filter up to 2.5 tons of seed per hour. The Nicholson pumpkin harvester, however, is a preferable option if you need to harvest whole pumpkins, for instance to manufacture jack-o'-lanterns. Each pumpkin is meticulously removed from the field by this machine and sent to a large container. The pumpkin harvester lines up to pick up future jack-o'-lanterns. Now let's talk about a piece of equipment that truly deserves to be called universal. The three-wheel Globus RRI ETK is designed to handle a wide range of tools. It can spray plants and spread fertilizer, pull weeds, lay hoses, and dig furrows for future plantings. The electric motors in the wheels can reach speeds of up to 12 kilometers per hour. The lack of chain drive reduces power loss, minimizes wear and tear, and lowers maintenance cost. The machine's lightweight allows for soil conservation. There is also a version with a high-capacity lithium battery offering up to 8 hours of operation on a single charge. The onboard video camera allows for live streaming. If the robot wanders off to a neighboring farm, you will need to use the remote control to bring it back. With the Expand R590, you may efficiently and rapidly pick fruit from trees. Fruit that falls onto the top of the specially designed trailer's retractable tarpaulin roll is sorted and debris is removed with fans. Compared to previous similar systems, this method is 80% more efficient because it only requires two persons to handle up to 300 kilograms of fruit at a time. It takes a tractor with at least 40 horsepower to operate the extended R590. The trailer can handle up to 3,450 kilograms of cargo on each axle with an empty weight of 3,200 kilograms. Trees will quickly be free of apples, pears, or peaches thanks to this equipment. Odors and flavors are irrelevant to the tub grinder. Hay, straw, and even dry dung are ground into a homogeneous, loose mass by this voracious machine. The device is powered by a mechanical drive and is constructed on a trailer frame. A set of sieves with varying hole sizes is included with the tub grinder, so you may modify the level of crushing. Straw is fed into the milestones under the direction of an intelligent, stress-free module that has a built-in computer. The hopper is tilted for simple screening by a hydraulic drive. The owner is free to choose whether or not to install pneumatic brakes on the trailer, which is permitted for usage on public roads. A new weed control system has been created and approved by Envodan. The purpose of this gas burner is to burn away overgrown seeds. By saving up to 40% on gas, the cutting-edge technology shortens the equipment's payback period. The tractor's big gas tank is positioned in front and the multi-nozzle arc is positioned behind the cab. Clovers, dandelions, and other undesired plants are burned away as the machine passes through the fields. Every machine in the e-therm system is tailored to the demands of the particular customer and is especially made for large farms and municipal fields. The business emphasizes its dependability and excellence. You can pluck a weed with Envodan's round-the-clock technical help. Give them a call now. This is not another transformer from a Michael Bay film, but the Xylus electric all-terrain vehicle built to work vineyard soil. It is powered by lithium-ion batteries that allow it to run in the fields for up to 10 hours without stopping, and they recharge in less than 2 hours. Xylus has two electric motors and articulated tracks can handle all tillage activities. The sturdy body is adaptable to 6 various sizes. The vehicle, which can accommodate vineyards ranging from almost ground level to those with lush, curving vines, can be controlled either from the cab or via the tablet that comes with it. It is extremely safe to operate because it goes at a very slow speed. Although the tractor can drive faster, this new cotton picker from renowned farm equipment maker John Deere can reach speeds of up to 7.4 km per hour. Quality performance is guaranteed when the manufacturer's recommendations are followed. The machine lowers the price per kilogram of cotton by 8% by securely packing bales. That is a big advantage. The picker can cover 1.6 hectares in 10 hours. It can operate for up to 12 hours without refueling thanks to the upgraded engine ventilation system with adjustable blades. Maintaining the John Deere CP770 won't be a problem for skilled mechanics. Major components are easily accessible by opening the protective coverings. This enormous John Deere will be harvesting the cotton flowers before they know it. One of the most unique graders available in Sylvandan trucks. With the push of a button, it burrows into the ground and maintains its position securely. It is made to operate with trucks and semi-trailers that have a support plate on hydraulic pistons mounted on the machine's frame. The plate can withstand up to 160 tons of strain. At this point, a layer of earth is removed as the winches begin to lift up the grader itself, creeping slowly to the end. After that, the procedure is conducted once more. According to the investors, their invention is ideal for road and highway transportation, therefore there won't be any problems when it moves to different fields throughout the city. This brush-equipped trailer that sucks up and spits out earth in a heap may not make sense to the average person, but it's more complicated than that. VC of the camp, in fact, the purpose of the 2500 machine is to soften and loosen compost. It will take hard lumps of compacted dirt and transform them into planting-ready soil. With a capacity of 500 to 1000 cubic meters per hour, it is quite amazing. It requires a reduction gear and a tractor with at least 60 horsepower to function properly. A speed of 50 to 400 miles per hour is advised. With two auxiliary wheels for convenient towing, the machine's body is constructed from molded steel plates. Off-road, this beast is so amazing that even tanks would be envious. The Peat MJK350DTG made by Merip is intended to clear new peak production zones and restore current ones by removing tree stumps and snags. Peat is crushed as the tractor advances due to the pull of the hydraulic roller. When it moves backward, it uproots trees and crushes obstructions. Including a POC 3000 safety clutch, the model shields the transmission from frequently hitting stones results in excessive loads. The RPM of the roller shaft can reach roughly 1000. This type of force cannot be stopped. The Varrock VR80 tiny tractor, which is intended for weed removal and lawn cleaning, completes today's compilation. A Hertz diesel engine powers it. The tractor has 4 cylinders, produces 75 horsepower and has a stepless hydraulic all-wheel drive system that enables it to travel up to 20 km per hour. Its double articulation steering mechanism with an 82-degree steering angle at the central joint and individual wheel drive contribute to its great mobility. Stability on rough terrain is guaranteed by lock and independent wheel monitors. All 4 wheels of the tractor include parking and service brakes. The maximum weight of 1270 kilograms, the Varrock VR80 is nearly as heavy as a Ferrari F40.